Hello. So today we are going to learn a linear equation in two variables. So in this chapter mostly we are going to study we have already studied about linear equation in one variable. For example, x plus 1 is equal to 0, and second example is under root 2y plus under root 3 is equal to 0. So in this two equation there is only one variable at a time. So in this chapter of class 9th we are going to learn about linear equation in two variables. That means equation have two variables at a time, at the same time. Okay, so first let's start linear equation. For example, in one variable we can take example of 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if we want to find the variable exact amount, then x variable have the exact amount of minus 5 under minus 5 upon 2. So that is the exact solution of the x variable. So we can show on the number line also. We have seen already in previous classes. So we can show this on number line. So in this chapter we are going to do the solution of linear equation which can be not affected by same number is added at a time on the both the side of the equation, multiplication or divide both the sides of equation by the same non-zero number. So this all things we are going to learn. The equation for the two variables is uh, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers and where a, b are not 0. If a and b are 0, then no matters how we are going to find the linear equation of two variables. So we can't get x value and y value. So a and b are non-zero. Okay. Next is we are having two variables, that is x or y or a b etc. So these two variables have infinity solution. The solution can be unlimited. Okay. Next, third topic, which is the last topic of this chapter, which is point on a graph. So every linear equation solutions have a point on a graph. These three main topics we are going to cover in linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I'm giving you example. So in a one day international cricket match, India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, where two Indian player batsmen scored 176 runs. So how we can form a linear equation in two variables from this statement? So in one day international cricket, India and Sri Lanka played in a Nagpur. Two Indian batsmen together scored 176 score. So the expression, this information is formed as two unknown quantities. That means two batsmen, we don't know which batsman had scored. So two unknown quantities. Let's us denote first batsman as x and second batsman as y. We know the score, total score of the runs, that is 176. So we can say x plus y is equal to 176. So this is your two variable equation. Let's give some more example of this. So for example, we got an equation 3 is equal to under root 2x minus 7y. So this is again a linear equation in two variables. We have x and y and c as a constant. So any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not 0, is called a linear equation in two variable. Okay, one more time. Any equation that can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not 0. This is called linear equation in two variables. Now, what kind of questions has been asked for this chapter? For example, write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So the value indicates of a, b and c in each case. That kind of questions comes. Let's start the exercise 4.1. First, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So first of all, notebook cost rupees x and pen cost rupees y. Now what was the cost of notebook is twice. That means we can write 2x and pen cost y. So 2x plus y is equal to 0. We can write this as a statement. We can write the statement as 2x is equal to y is equal to 0. Now we have to express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. So first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 dash. So for this, our linear equation will be formed like 2x plus 3y minus, because on other side of equal is 9.35 dash, so we will bring together as a form of ax plus by plus c. So 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0, where the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Okay, hope you have understand this question. Next question is x minus y by 5 upon 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so now in this term we get a as 1, b as minus 1 by 5 and c as minus 10. It's already in a linear equation form, but if you want to change it, then how we can change it? There is no denominator in x, so x will be multiplied by 5 and 10 will be also multiplied by 5. So the answer can be 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. This will be the equation, or either you can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5, and c is equal to minus 10. Or you can write in the form of which I have already told. 5 will be denominator, so we will multiply 5x minus y minus 5 multiplied by 10, that is 50, and denominator on the other side 0 multiplied by 5, that will be 0. So your answer will be 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. So a will be 5, b will be minus 1, and c will be minus 50. You can write either or. Okay. Third, that is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So here 6 will be bring on the other side of equal to. So answer will be 2x minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, and a will be minus 2, b will be minus 3 plus 3, c will be minus 6. Fourth is x is equal to 3y. Now c is missing, so we can write 0 at the place of c. So according to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we will bring 3y on the other side of equal to. So our equation can be formed: x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0, and a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 0. So that is the value of a, b and c. Next question, 2x is equal to minus xy. Okay, so in this again same thing, minus 5y will be bring to the other side. So we get the equation according to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We can write 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0. Next, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here b y is missing, so we can write 0 at the place of by, and the equation and the value of a is 3, b is, we don't have the term, second term, so it will be 0, and c will be 2. Next is y minus 2 is equal to 0. So here it is in one variable, so we are going to write ax will be 0 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is 0, b is 1, c is minus 2. So 6th and 7th both are in one variable. Even 8 is also in a one variable form, but we have to write in two variables, so we can write by is equal to 0. 8th question, that is phi is equal to 2x, so we can write 2x minus phi is equal to 0. By is missing, so at that place we will write 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 because term is missing, and c is equal to minus 5. Hope you have understand this. We will see our next exercise in the next video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel and please share this video. Thank you.